Hello, Mr. Moses. The machines are ready now. First of all, we will test this machine for you. This melting tank. Okay, so this is a 200-liter induction melting tank, and it is made of full of stainless steel, including the leather. Okay, so the leather has the wheels, and it has a balancer as well. And this is the control center. This machine, it needs a transformer for you. We have bought the transformer. Later we will connect it to the transformer. When you receive the machine, you need to connect cable to the transformer. I will show you photos how to do that. Okay. On the control center, we have two temperature indicators, because we have two temperature sensors. One is inside the tank to detect the temperature of the wax. Another one is for detect the temperature of the heating element. It's on the bottom of the machine. This is the heating temperature. These two heating element. And this is an indicator. There is no need to revise anything for this one. We have already set everything up. Okay, do not set it. And here we have a adjuster for the mixer. Bottom is under 0, and then we can turn it, run. Okay, and adjust it a little bit. The mixer will start running. And the shelf for better packaging and shipping, we have made it about 2 layers. You see, by 2 layers, we will take this off to pack them, and this will be packed with the shelf, with the leather. So after you receive it, you may need to help to put them together. So that'll be all for this machine. If you have any questions or you got any problem during the using, you can contact me. Okay.